Hi everybody and welcome to this new video in the IECHost series. I've just finished testing the restore process to copy 40-track D64 images back to physical disks, and the good news is that the part that I thought would have been problematic actually works fine. That's the part for seeking tracks past track 35 using the drive's job queue. Therefore, let's have a look at the process involved in restoring an image I created earlier, which is 40-track disk image. As you can see, the size is bigger than the usual D64, and let's find out how long it takes as well. Well, almost 40 seconds for restoring a 40-track disk, which is in line with the fact that for 35 tracks it takes roughly 35 seconds. I'll make this preview version available later on, just the time to do a bit more of testing, and then I'll push it out. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye!